Hello everyone and welcome to a quick unboxing at Gadgets 360. Today we have with us the Samsung Galaxy J8. So let's go ahead and unbox and see what do you get with the device. And as you can see, the box has quite a lot of information about the phone inside. When I look at the content on the back, it mentions an Infinity display, which is a 6-inch HD Plus display, a dual camera setup, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of inbuilt storage, and a 3500 mAh battery. So without waiting any further, let's go ahead and unbox the phone. So first off, we have the Samsung Galaxy J8. Let's take a look at that. You get quite a lot of stickers on the phone. So let's power on the Galaxy J8. Now as you can see, the Galaxy J8 secured by Knox. Let's take a look at what else do you get in the box. Couple of documentation, a quick start guide, a travel charger that is rated at 5 volt and 1.55 amp. So that's a little lower than 10 watts. You get a micro USB cable and regular earphones and a SIM ejector tool. That's about it. Yeah, that's about it for all the contents in the box. Let's keep the phone and move everything else off the table. Now it is giving us an option to set up face recognition, and we will set it up right away. So let's go ahead with face recognition. As you can see, face recognition has been set up. You have more options to tweak notifications and all the other stuff. We will be skipping that for the moment. Discover free instant apps. Now it does give you an option of installing apps. Now these are recommended. We are not interested in any of these apps. Wow. So we will get rid of all of them. Finish. Now that we have gone ahead and set up the Samsung Galaxy J8, let me tell you some of the specifications. At the front, it has a 6-inch HD Plus display and has a selfie camera, 16 megapixel selfie camera, and a selfie flash on top. Now this has the 18:9 aspect ratio, which Samsung refers to as an infinity display. Now it is not edge to edge. Now it does not have curved edges like the Samsung Galaxy S9, but it is an infinity display. Now at the back, it has a dual camera setup consisting of a 16 megapixel primary camera and a 5 megapixel secondary sensor. There's the fingerprint scanner at the back, and the back is made out of metal, and there's a single LED flash as well. As you can see, the loudspeaker is positioned on the side, and there is the power button, while every other button is on the left. There's the volume rockers, and you have two different trays for the SIM card. So we'll go ahead and pop that open and check what kind of arrangement do you have there. Okay, so while the phone's still setting up, so this is the SIM 1 slot, which is a nano SIM slot, and the second tray has a nano SIM slot as well and a dedicated micro SD card slot. So you have got two different slots. We have seen other phones having like an elongated slot, but Samsung has opted for two different slots, wherein SIM 1 is individual, whereas SIM 2 slot is clubbed with a micro SD card slot. So we've taken a look at the SIM slots. Now talking about the software, it runs on Samsung Experience UI, which is their custom UI on top of Android Oreo. And for those curious about the battery on the smartphone, well, it has a 3500 mAh battery on board. Now the battery on board can be charged using the micro USB port, and it also has a 3.5mm headphone jack on the side. So that was the first look and the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy J8. What do you think about the device? Let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for the full review.